Tasks is used to manage and keep track of important tasks that are to be performed by the users. Tasks is available in the Start page. The tasks can be either one-off task or repeated tasks, at specified intervals. The users responsible for the tasks can be specified and tracked. Let's add a one-time task. Click New Task to start adding this task. Specify the name of this task. Add description of this task. Specify the date and time this task is to be done. Specify the expected duration of this task. As we are creating a one-off task, leave repeats as none. Specify the priority level of this task. 5 priority levels are available. AE. By default, the logged-in user will be listed as member of this task group. To add other users, select the user from this list and click Add. Members can be removed by clicking X. Click Save to save this task. The task is now saved. This task will appear only for the users that are members of this task group. If the task is completed, click Done. Completed tasks are hidden by default. Click All to show all tasks, done and pending. The status of this task can be undone by clicking on this area. If this task is not done, it can be flagged so by clicking Not Done. To undo, click this area. The details and status of this task can be viewed by clicking on the task's header. The status by users will be shown here. To edit this task, change accordingly and click Edit to save. To delete, click Delete. Now let's add a recurring task. Click New Task. Specify the name of this task. Enter the description of this task. Specify the task starting date and time. Specify the task's expected duration. Click here to list the available intervals. And select the required interval. In this example we select monthly. Specify the end date and time for this task's repetitions. Specify the priority level. Select and add the members of this task group. And click Save to save this task. Tasks that are due will be in red. This is the task repeat in the subsequent months. Click Done to mark this task as completed. Clicking Done will list only the completed tasks. To view details and status of the task, click the header. The status is shown here. To edit only this task and not the repetitions, edit accordingly and click Edit to save. To edit this task and all repetitions, edit accordingly and click Edit All to save. To delete only this task and leave the repetitions intact, click Delete. To delete this task and all the repetitions, click Delete All. That's it. You're done.